Hey, kind of on a roll with this Facebook Live thing, and me and Bryce were up, or we've come down from Auckland to Tauranga and Mount Maunganui to visit our friend Leo, who we built Jawa Tiny house with last year at a workshop at the property where he's living. He's just moved to this new space, and so I thought I'd just show you guys around. He's done a bunch more work since the workshop. The workshop, we got pretty much what you see done, except for this little outhouse, or this little bump out right here, which is installed for batteries and also to accept some of the plumbing. And on the other side of that, he's got a califont, or on-demand hot water system, which in New Zealand's totally fine to be mounted outside. And he just used some of the scrap wood and scrap flashing for that. Down here we have a hatch. That's for the composting toilet on the other side. So he's able to open up that hatch, replace his carbon, sawdust, and pull out his poop bucket and do his thing like that. That's about it for the outside. He's installed a few lights and bits and pieces. We've got the angled back wall here. And when I was designing that angle, I just sat down and then got the angle based on what my ergonomic comfort was, and that was the design of that back wall. We're just helping him set up a bit of a deck here. Like I said, he's just moved. And inside we got... Hey Leo!
Hi everybody. Me.
We've just been hanging out last night with Bryce as well.
Hey folks.
That's where Bryce slept, on the love seat. That's a single and that's a double. I was up there. It's a little bit... Bryce is a bit bigger than me. I don't know if he might have smashed it down. But Leo's put a rope up here so you can support yourselves as you're coming up and climbing up this dodgy shelf system. Through here, Leo did the cabinets himself. And he's got a redwood live edge countertop, which is pretty sweet. And then, which mountain is this?
Mount Maunganui.
Mount Maunganui. Super cool feature.
About 5 minutes from here.
Beaten down copper to make this shape.
Yeah, beat down.
And then the bathroom just got finished recently. It's pretty much the same bathroom as I do in all my designs, except it's got this angled back wall. Which makes it feel way bigger, because you can stand right next to the wall and your shoulders still aren't touching the wall, even though I'm standing with my feet right on the corner of the wall. Makes the shower feel bigger. It's been really cool spending a night in this place just to see how the angle wall feels and the ergonomics of all of it. And then this is the big feature here at the back. This mad wall of mostly New Zealand natives, yeah? All New Zealand natives. Which is pretty great. So I just thought I'd show you guys around. Get to hang out with these two.
Yeah.
It was awesome. Thanks guys.